This beautiful quail laid some eggs, and some of her eggs will be shown in this video.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking quail eggs. We do not have any quails. These were given to us, and I'm looking forward to cooking them and eating them. So first I'm gonna boil them, and then we'll show you a couple different ways that you can make these. Okay, we're gonna bring it to boil, and then the eggs will go in here. In meantime, I'm gonna prep some other ingredients. Have some turkey bacon. That will just need just a couple slices. Let's go ahead and cut this into smaller pieces. All right, so now let's just wait for the water to come to boil, and we'll put the eggs in. So here's a little comparison of quail eggs versus chicken egg. And you would probably need about 4 or 5 quail eggs equal to 1 chicken egg. And quail eggs, they have more nutrients, they have more vitamins and zinc, and also protein and fat. And these are really cute. I like the little speckles on them. So now that the water came to boil, I'm gonna put eggs in. And since these are small, I'm just gonna use this, just because first, I don't want to burn myself putting eggs in, and also if I can't really just throw them in because they will crack, obviously. So let's just load this up and put it into the water. And looks like there are some eggs that cracked, so they're just floating on top. So I'm just gonna take these out, the ones that are cracked and floating on top. Okay, let's bring it back to boil. And I'm just gonna set my timer for 4 minutes. And just to show you, I'm gonna crack one egg. There's more yolk than egg whites in these eggs. All right, so let's go ahead and turn them off. Take them off the heat. Okay, let's see here. I have some cold water with ice right here. And let's go ahead and take these eggs out and put it into ice cold water. Okay, and now we're just gonna let them sit here in the water and cool down completely. Eggs have been cooling down for a few minutes now, so it's time to peel them. Okay, let's see. Let me just dry my hands. Okay, so now let's just peel them. And it's actually kind of cool how blue, like aqua color, they are on the inside of the skin. So I'm just gonna peel them, and then obviously I have to wash them just because there are still tiny pieces of the eggshell. So I just decided, since I do need to wash eggs after they're peeled, I'm just gonna transfer them into a bowl. And we'll just continue peeling them. And it's kind of interesting how each eggshell is slightly different. Some of them are really aqua color on the inside, and some of them are almost white. Let me see if I can get a bigger piece. So it's a lot lighter than the other one. So I rinsed quail eggs with fresh water, and now I'm just gonna separate some of them. When I was peeling, they kind of don't look as nice as some of the other ones. So these I will put in this bowl here, and I will make some spread to make kind of like sandwiches with some cheese, garlic. I think this is all I need for the other dish that I'm gonna be making. So these eggs, I'm just gonna mash with a fork, and like I said, just trying to make a little spread out of them. And now I'm just gonna add some cheese. I actually need a little bit more. Let's just mix it up and see. Almost positive that I need more mayo. Yeah, it looks really dry. Okay, that looks more like it. I also have some garlic here that I already peeled. So let's just get this through the garlic press. And mix it up again really well. Okay, so the spread is ready. Let me get some bread. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut these in half. And this will make a delicious and nutritious snack. Okay, so I got my bacon into the frying pan, and we'll fry it for, I'd say, maybe about 5 minutes or so. So bacon is ready now. I'm gonna go ahead and press garlic in here. And just mix it up. Put eggs in. add some smoked paprika. And just let it mix for a minute or so. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off and take it off the heat. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer eggs onto this plate. And now I'm gonna cut up some tomatoes. And some avocado. Who doesn't like avocado, right? Gonna add some olives. Decorate it with a little bit of parsley. This is just a couple different ways of making quail eggs. I'm gonna go and enjoy this snack. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.